In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export form submissions in HubSpot. This is a simple way to gather all the information from your forms so you can analyze it or share it with your team. First, head over to the Marketing tab in HubSpot and click on Forms. Here, you'll see a list of all the forms you've created. Choose the form you want to work with and click Edit. Once you're inside the form, go to the Submissions section. This is where all the responses from your form are stored. You can also check the form settings here if you want to manage notifications or the order of contacts. To export the submissions, look for the Export option. Click on it, choose your preferred file format like CSV or Excel, and set any date range if needed. After that, just hit Export and HubSpot will generate a file with all your submissions ready to download. And that's it. You've successfully exported your form submissions, making it easy to analyze responses or keep a record outside HubSpot. And that's how you export form submissions in HubSpot. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.